Hey guys, this is my Fit Eddy 1, and I just bought some new bike parts, so I figured I'd do a quick bike check. Let's see, we got S&M bars, Superstar F9 stem, pretty sweet, ODI long necks, Odyssey slick cable, nice van sticker there, stock Fit forks, Fit FAF tires, Weinmann rims, stock Fit hub, and spokes. Got a nice valve cap there. Let's see, over on here. Cane Creek headset. Don't know if you can see that. Haro pivotal seat. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Stock cranks. Stolen Eternity sprocket. Shadow half link chain. Another Fit FAF tire. Weinmann rim. Stock spokes. Stock cassette hub. Another valve cap. Very nice. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks, guys.